Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. These will probably be the easiest cookies you will ever make in your life, okay? So if you got that sweet tooth, you can make this right now. You will need an egg, okay? It does not have to be room temperature. Just take it straight out of your fridge. You'll also need some sugar, okay? So I'm using raw cane sugar. I only did a 1/4 cup. But I do recommend that you use brown sugar, and you can use up to a 1/2 cup depending on how sweet you want your cookies to be. Now just give this a good mix. Go ahead and get your peanut butter. Okay, so you see what I'm using here, right? This peanut butter already has sugar, salt, oil. It's not like my favorite peanut butter, but it was what we had on hand, and I used 1 cup of peanut butter, okay? And yeah, I'm just gonna mix this with the egg and the sugar. Now, after you mix your peanut butter with the egg and the sugar, give it a taste, okay? I normally would not recommend that you taste a raw egg, but listen, just take off a little piece and taste it, just to make sure that that batter is as sweet as you want it to be. Now take a fork, you're going to coat it with some flour. Coat some flour in your hand as well. Take a spoonful of that batter, roll it around into your hand, drop it on that cookie sheet. Then take your fork and you're gonna make like a crisscross pattern into the cookie. You will need to bake these in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes, okay? And this is what mine look like so far. After you take your cookies out, you want to take them off of that baking sheet and get them onto a cooling rack. These were so simple and easy to make. I think this would be perfect like to make with your kids. This is just fun, just overall fun, and it's a quick and easy way to satisfy that sweet tooth, okay? So as always, I thank y'all so much for your support on this channel. Please do me a really big favor and click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.